Every single day, this factory receives 40 tons of pure synthetic gum base.
Liquid sweetness flows through 3 miles of transparent pipelines directly to the mixing vats. Five tons of sugar are processed every hour to provide that signature initial sweetness.
The exact shade of bubblegum pink is carefully controlled by automated drop dispensers.
A single drop in pneumatic pressure could ruin an entire 10-ton batch.
The rigid synthetic base must be melted down at exactly 80 degrees Celsius.
Once melted, it enters the most critical phase, the master blending.
Before any ingredient is added, the stainless steel vats undergo a severe sterilization process.
Ultraviolet light ensures zero contamination before the delicate flavoring is added.
The melted base is slowly combined with syrup to create a pliable, sticky dough.
It takes 20 minutes of continuous high-torque folding to achieve perfect elasticity. Elasticity is strictly monitored to prevent the gum from sticking to consumer wrappers later.
This 50-kilo mass of tasteless rubber is about to transform entirely.
In less than 60 seconds, the iconic bubblegum pink color takes over completely. These colossal Z-blade mixers apply incredible torque to ensure flavor distribution. Temperature spikes during mixing can destroy the synthetic flavor profile.
Once blended, the warm dough is incredibly heavy and stubbornly adhesive. The massive loaf must now be shaped into manageable continuous ribbons. Under extreme pressure, the dough is forced through specialized dies.
A difference of a single millimeter could jam the high-speed wrapping machines.
Heavy steel rollers press the rope flat, preparing it for intricate scoring.
These high-speed rotary blades slice the enormous sheet into thin, uniform strips.
A mechanical guillotine chops the continuous strips into 10,000 pellets per minute. To harden the exterior, the soft pellets undergo a shock chilling process. This rapid cooling step prevents the pellets from merging back into a solid mass. Now the core is ready for the famous hard candy shell coating. Layers of liquid sugar are systematically sprayed and dried over several hours.
This crucial tumbling process gives bubblegum its signature satisfying crunch. Over 40 microscopic layers of sugar are applied and instantly dried.
After 4 hours of tumbling, the finished gumballs emerge shining like synthetic pearls. The finished pieces must now be individually inspected and individually wrapped.
Any piece with a chipped shell or imperfect roundness is violently rejected.
Only flawless pieces make it to the high-speed wrapping stations. A pneumatic vacuum system instantly transports them to the massive gravity hoppers.
A final sensory check utilizes high-speed imaging to catch any last microfractures. Engineers simulate the chewing process to guarantee perfect bubble-blowing elasticity.
The shell must crack at precisely 12 pounds of applied pressure. X-ray systems scan every single piece for the smallest foreign contaminant.
Less than 0.1% of all produced gum is rejected at this stage.
Once approved, the gumballs fall directly into the heart of the packaging zone.
The wrapping machines are the fastest and loudest mechanical beasts in the factory. Wrapping over 1,000 pieces per minute, the robotic fingers blur her with speed. Every single output is monitored by real-time microscales.
A pulse of extreme heat instantly welds the bag completely shut in milliseconds.
The system registers 400 bags a minute, entirely without human intervention.
An airburst tests the seal pressure. If it pops, it is instantly discarded. The multi-axis robotic packers handle 50 boxes per minute with 0 errors. Engineered precision transforms flat cardboard into rigid displays in a split second.
A titanium blade severs the high-strength tape exactly at the corner millimeter.
To packed items flow like a heavy cardboard river towards the loading zone.
Ultraviolet arrays instantly cure the industrial ink to prevent any smudging. Vacuum lift arrays handle massive weight without crushing the delicate bubble gum inside.
The algorithm builds an interlocking block pattern, ensuring maximum structural stability.
A high-tension plastic wrap secures the 2-ton pallet for its long journey.
The storage facility is fully automated, holding over 5 million units of bubble gum.
Laser guidance allows the drones to navigate the pitch-black aisles with 0 collisions.
When an order arrives, the system retrieves a pallet from 50 feet up in seconds. The logistics brain prioritizes first in, first out to ensure maximum freshness. The temperature must remain strictly regulated even during the final loading phase. Each massive trailer departs, holding enough gum to stock 20 supermarkets. The factory's nerve center monitors 300 individual machines simultaneously.
Even a fraction of a degree change is executed purely via remote digital command. Human oversight is still essential for predictive maintenance on the heavy machinery.
Rework the batch on conveyor 7.
Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now.
Precision reloading allows the line to run continuously for 24 hours a day.
Absolute sterility is enforced at every single entry point.
The seamless ballet between man and machine produces spectacular daily volumes.
Daily structural inspections prevent catastrophic mechanical failures.
As the sun sets, the factory floor refuses to sleep.
The night shift operates with just 20% of the daytime workforce. A handful of engineers oversee the completely automated midnight production run.
Every second of the night yields hundreds of thousands of identical pieces.
The raw material silos continuously feed the beast until the morning sun rises.
Even the cleaning protocols are automated, maintaining the clinical environment.
A never-ending mechanical heartbeat that provides sweetness to the entire world. From the arrival of raw ingredients to the final packaged box, the choreography is absolute perfection.
Modern engineering has transformed candy making into an industrial marvel.
One perfect piece out of 5 million created today alone. This factory stands as a testament to the staggering power of mass production.
The Pink River flows on, and the machines never stop.